Roger! Can I get one kiss to you, Roger? Roger! I miss you so much, Roger! You know, Roger, I'm waiting you here, Roger!
Roger, you go here in the Philippines, I will comfort you. You're very comfortable here. You go here.
Roger, I love you. See you soon. Hi, Jonathan! Jonathan! Do you want corn, Jonathan? You know, Jonathan, this is very delicious, Jonathan. Hey, Jonathan, I miss you so much, Jonathan. I love you, Jonathan. See you soon. Hi, Jason. Jason, you are my first love in my life, Jason. I cannot move on to you, Jason. Jason, do you want grilled corn, Jason? You know, Jason, this is very delicious, Jason. It's so refreshing.